My name is Karim Jabbari. I'm a calligraphy and street artist. My work is based on Arabic calligraphy, and I'm all about this beautiful fusion between the ancient and the new, between the ancient art of calligraphy and some of the urban techniques that we use in street art, that we use in graffiti, that we use in light painting. And the point is that I want to show the new face of calligraphy, something that's beautiful, something that has a deep impact. Very happy to be here at this beautiful city. Almet, thank you so much. Peace.